What is going on, people? In this video, I'm going to show you the most simplest way how to start warming up your emails for cold email outreach with personalization touch. But in this video, I'm just going to show you again the most simplest way to set up your Instantly account and start warming up the emails the most, again, easiest and proper way. So let's get started. So now you do need a Gmail account. You could do custom Gmail. You can see that this is a custom Gmail account. It's Dave@iLift, and you gotta be the administrator. Okay, so once you click on the settings, you gotta see this right here next to your account, the admin button. Okay, so we're gonna click on the admin button. Also, you will need your Instantly account. Again, I'm not going to show you in this video how to create Instantly account or GoDaddy account. That's where you're going to buy the domain names. Okay, you guys got to know how to do that. That's simple, but you can watch there's many YouTube videos. Anyway, so let's log in. I just logged in. I don't know why it's asking me. So let's do it again. Okay, now we're in the admin. You can see admin.google.com. Okay, you gotta have access. So what you're gonna do also, you're gonna connect the domain names. Click an account, and you're gonna see the domain names right in here. Manage domain names. So in purposes for this video, we're gonna add a domain name right in here. Okay, we're gonna click on it. Again, you gotta have GoDaddy account. Okay, and you gotta have some domains in there, and I'm gonna show you how to just import, as I said in the beginning, super easy. Okay, none of that Namecheap, just straight GoDaddy account. Okay, we're gonna enter a domain name, one from GoDaddy. Let's I do recommend to get .coms. So I added this one. So let's do this one, aivoiceoutreach.com. It's a pretty good domain. I recently bought it. So you could see that there's a lot of good domains still available. Yep, so let's do that. Let's add, a secondary. Okay, just keep going, not alias, because you want to be separate. So now you just have to verify and connect it. Let's do that. Yep. So you got to be signed into your Google. As I said, again, it's super simple. Just buy your domains at GoDaddy, because look how easy they're going to set up everything. You don't need to copy and paste information, no records. Everything's literally done for you. Records. Now you're going to see in a second that we're going to add a domain name and start warming up. Okay, just give it a few seconds. Maybe I pause the video to speed this up, but I'll maybe just keep it going. So anyway, in this video, we're gonna connect the domain names, plus we're gonna create a user account for that domain name. Okay, so now the domain name is connected. So we're gonna continue and getting the Gmail account connected. Okay. Now let me set up Gmail user. No, I want to do it now. Okay, I want to be the admin. So add a user. For cold email, I heard a lot of debate that people reply quicker if it's a female name. Obviously, just Amy, Kira, Julie, Melania, whatever. Okay, I don't know. I'm just gonna put my name. You guys do whatever you want. Basically, right in here, it's gotta match David, so I'm gonna just put David. Again, you guys could put whatever you guys want in him. Just make it up. It's just when people gonna get a cold email from this email address, obviously we're gonna connect a different domain right in here. You see, just make sure you select the right domain name. Obviously it has to be different. So now we're gonna add a member. And remember, I think it's gonna be around $8 with the tax per domain. I think $7 per domain. So proceed with the activation. Again, this will take a few minutes, maybe less. And just now it's gonna add the other record. Okay, we got the A records. Now it's gonna add the other record, all the records. I think there's about 5 or 6 records just to get the Gmail up and running. I'm not gonna post the video if you guys want to just forward it a little, or maybe I'll pause it. Again, let it create. Oh, it's done. Okay. So let me move that. Got it. Okay, done. So now what we're gonna do? So we should have David. Let's see. So let's click on accounts. Yeah. So the domain is here. Now you're gonna click on I think home. Click home. And now you're gonna see users. Manage users. So you see now we have the ones with the domain name that we just right here, AI Voice Outreach. We're gonna reset the password. Generate password, and then you'll be able to change it. Let's reset. Copy. Just gonna put it. Sorry. No, because I want to copy. Got a lot of stuff going on, so let's paste it here just in case. And now the reason I want to do that because I want to copy this domain. Okay, and now we're going to go to Gmail. Show you how cool this is. So now you have a Gmail account. Obviously, let's create another user. Okay, add another account. So a brand new account. I'm going to paste it right in here. We're going to copy the password. It's going to make you change it right now. Understand? Okay, now you could create whatever password you guys want. Okay. And voila, we're in a brand new Gmail account. Obviously, you could do, yeah, whatever. No, we don't want to try anything. Okay, so we have a brand new Gmail account that we want to start warming up in instantly. So we're going to go to instantly. Now we're going to add new. Okay, Gmail. So what I did here, you guys have to activate this code. Just click here and it'll show you step by step how to do it. So basically they want you to add this code in the admin. So let's click on the admin. I already have it, but I'll show you guys for this video purposes if you guys are new. So yeah, click in here. So basically what you guys are going to do is going to configure new app. Okay. Actually, it tells you here step by step. Let's see. Oh, right in here, tutorial article. Okay. And it literally guides you step by step how to activate your Gmail account. Okay, it shows you the pictures. Okay, you're gonna copy that. You click on security. Okay, I'm not gonna go over, but yeah, basically this is how you do it. And you could see here that I already have it. So you'll connect the Gmail account right away. Okay, so now we could log in. and just find where's the David AI voice right in here. Otherwise, if you don't add that code, it's just not going to let you connect, basically. Okay, but once you have that code, just go crazy from that account. And you could see, voila, it's going to start warming up. And you can see it's right in here. No, actually, it's not going to start warming up. So we're just going to go back. And now you'll be able to see that we have created right in here. And what I'm going to show you, okay, let me just move this out of the way. Settings. I just turned this on. It's recommended to enable to slow ramp up. Okay, click save. Now we're going to go up and just click this enable warm up. And you guys are all done. And now you just sit back. You guys relax. Start working on personalization. I'm actually going to show you in N8N right in here some of the workflows. I've been testing, so it should be ready. I'll show you the simplest way what I created. Super easy. I'm going to show you very quickly. I'm going to post this video shortly. Right in here. So basically it gets triggers from the Apollo in Apify. Collects 500. We could do 2,000 emails. Again, I'm not going to do this in this video. Basically creates a personalized subject line from the LinkedIn account, from the company's website. Okay, we have the actually searches the company and LinkedIn. Okay, then we're going to create the subject line, personal subject line, personalized icebreaker, and an offer. And again, I'm going to show you everything, and it just goes right into your Google Sheets account, and you just upload the Google Sheets account into Instantly. Again, I'm going to show you this in this video. Hope this video helped. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be posting all my wins and losses with cold email. Also, I'll be posting my N8N workflows with prompts and everything, all the notes that I'm doing. So please, if you can, sign up, and I'll see you in the next video.